Come test drive the 2018 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, heated seats, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.